The Promenade des Anglais.
the old town. And you're stuck at the back of a group of 40. Rushed past the Russian cathedral's gilded domes. Rushed through Vieux Nice without hearing a single story. A guide's script, not a real conversation with the city. Uvamai's Nice. Self-guided audio tour hands you 20 of the city's most evocative landmarks, from the Promenade des Anglais to the Simia's monastery gardens, narrated in rich detail. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to your inbox, a professional audio guide, and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group. No rigid schedule. Just nice, at your pace. Start at Gare de Nice Ville, then wander into the gilded splendor of the Russian cathedral. Lose yourself in the checkerboard charm of Place Messina and let the Fontaine de Soleil catch the afternoon light. Wander the flower stalls of Cours Soleil, climb Colline de Chateau for sweeping views over the bay, and end your journey in the quiet cloisters of Simias. Each stop, its own story, told exactly when you're standing there to hear it. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Nice, not just photograph it. $6. Nice's landmarks, history, and hidden corners. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.